Actually, your syllabus is there, that is only preemptive. So this give more importance for this. It is preemptive shortest job fast or shortest remaining time. SRT means shortest remaining time. Shortest job first is also referred as shortest remaining time. Remaining time is less means it completes fast. So that's why shortest job first means shortest remaining time. So this is the algorithm which is there for your syllabus. Preemptive only it is there. What is the meaning of preemptive means? It can stop. Okay. In the preemptive shortest job scheduling always compares execution time of new processes entered with ready state with the remaining time of completion time of currently executing process. Suppose some currently running process is running on. If new job comes, that's execution time is shortest than currently executing. It will preempt. Okay. So, okay, it can preempt means it will stop the currently execution and scheduler will schedule the resources to the new one. So let us go to the very important problem. So we'll write some 2-3 problems are there which are on preemptive, which is there for syllabus. So you give study non-preemptive also, some because majority they ask about non-preemptive also, but this is you give more importance. So it is important problem. 3 processes with IDs P1, P2, P3 with estimated time of 10.57 milliseconds enters ready together. A new process P4 enters with a completion time of 2 milliseconds, enters ready queue after 2 milliseconds job of P1. Assume all the processes contains only one CPU operation and no IBAR operation is involved. So you have to calculate. Okay, you have to calculate average waiting time and average turnaround time for using preemptive SJF scheduling. Using preemptive. In the previous one, we did non-preemptive. Now it is actually preemptive means it will stop if the new one is having less. Okay, let us go to this. Okay, what is a P1? Here, don't make any mistake. P1 how much, P2 how much, P3 how much, and execution time I will also write. P1 job is 10 millisecond. P3 is 7 millisecond. P2 is 5 millisecond. Okay, all appear together here. Which one? P1, P2, P3 appear together. So which one is shortest job? This is shortest job. Next shortest job is this. Okay, execution is first one is this, second one is this, third one is this. So first it will execute P2. First it will execute P2. Next it will execute P3. Next it will be execute P3. This is normal without non-preemptive. This is the normal. Now new process come here. Here which one is coming? P4 enters. P4 enters here. If P4 enters here, how much job is left in the P2? Check it out. Please observe this statement very carefully. P2 completed how much task? 2 millisecond job it is completed. How much it is pending? Till, see, out of 5, 2 millisecond job over. Immediately P4 entered. P4 time is 2 millisecond. P4 time is 2 millisecond. Now P4 actually 2 millisecond job. It appeared after 2 millisecond. It appeared after 2 millisecond. Now it says shortest job is 2 millisecond. Now remaining job of P2 is 3 millisecond. So which one is actually shortest now? This is shortest now. New shortest one is this. New shortest job. Okay. Now scheduler will think that P4 is shortest job and it will preempt P2 and it will share the now P2 will go to the waiting time. P2 will go to the waiting time and resources will be shared to the P4 because at this point after 2 millisecond P2 still having 3 millisecond of job pending, but P4 come with shortest time with 2 milliseconds. So resources will be given to the P4. P2 is now in waiting. After that P3 will be given. After that P1 will be given. Now calculation is very tricky. So if you understand previous problems, you can easily find out what is the waiting time. Okay. So for the very first time, what is the waiting time for P2? Waiting for P2 is 0 millisecond. Okay, this 0 millisecond. After that, once again it went to waiting state. Once P4 comes, it went to waiting also. It went to waiting also. So initially 0 waiting, and it should wait P4 to complete. P4 completion is 2. So it is waiting 2 millisecond. 0 plus 2 millisecond. Total it is 2 millisecond. So out of this, P2 is running here. P2 is running here. P2 is running here. So here it is waiting. Here it is. Wait. Okay, next we have waiting time for P4. Now anybody can you think what is the waiting time for P4? Always the scheduler will schedule in the preemptive. In the preemptive, in the non-preemptive, that new one should wait. But in the preemptive, if any higher comes without waiting immediately, it should be given. Okay, it's like here P4 appeared, and its job is actually less than P4. P2 pending job is 3 millisecond. So its job is only 2 milliseconds. So it is the shortest. So that's why without waiting, scheduler will schedule to this. So in this example, P4 is having shortest job immediately when it appeared. Okay, when it appeared, its job is 2 millisecond. P2 completed 2 milliseconds, still 3 millisecond job is pending. So without waiting, scheduler will give the resources to this. So here waiting time for P4 is 0. Okay, next, what is the waiting time for P3? P3 should wait P2 to complete and P4 to complete. P4 is 2 millisecond, P2 is 5 millisecond. So totally 7 millisecond. That is the waiting time for P3. And similarly, waiting time for P1 is 7 plus this 7, 14. Should wait P2 to complete, which is 5 millisecond. It should wait P4 to complete, which is 2 millisecond. It should wait P3 to complete, which is 7 millisecond. So if you add all these things, it is 14 millisecond. So that is the uh, waiting time of P1, waiting time for P3. But here some confusion is there. So here P2 actually it waited here. P4 came in between now with highest priority. So shortest job. So here it is waited. Here it is running. Here it is running. So P2 waited only this much. Okay. Okay. Next, we have to find out average waiting time. So add all these waiting times 0, 4, and 7 milliseconds for P3, 40 milliseconds for this one. Add all these 4 divided by 4. So this is very, very important in the exam. If you don't make mistake here. Okay. If you not understanding, watch this video 2-3 times, you'll understand properly. Okay, next, turnaround time. Turnaround time is what? Waiting time plus execution time. How much P2 waited? P2 waited 2 milliseconds only. Here it is running. Here it is running. It waited only this portion. That is 2 milliseconds. So that is 2 millisecond is waiting, and completion is 5 millisecond. Completion is 5 millisecond. So the P2 for this P2 turnaround time is waiting time is 2 plus execution time is 5, so it is 7 millisecond. It is 7 millisecond. Next, turnaround time for P4. P4 is not waited only because scheduler immediately schedules. So waiting time is 0 plus execution time is 2 millisecond. Execution time is 2 milliseconds. So it is 2 millisecond. Next, waiting turnaround time for P3. Waiting time is I should complete P4 to complete, that is 2 milliseconds. You should wait P2 to complete 5 milliseconds. So it is 7 millisecond waiting time. 7 millisecond waiting time plus 7 millisecond of execution time. So this is turnaround time once again. Okay, this is a T80 for P3. TAT for P3. Next TAT for P4, P1 is this, which is waiting is 2 plus waiting is 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 10. That up to year 4 up to 14 it is waited. P1 waited up to 14 minutes plus its completion is 10 extra 10. So 14 plus 10 is 24. So it is 24. Its waiting time is here only we calculated 14 plus execution time is 10. So 14 plus 10 is 21. Next average turnaround time is you have to add all the 4 turnaround times plus number of processes. It is 4. So 47 by 4 is 11.75 millisecond. Thank you.